So here's a quick video. If you have a Dodge Ram, doesn't matter if it's a 1500, 2500, 3500, 5500, if your AC is not working, but on the control it shows all the lights are on, what it might be actually, it's the HVAC module or the Comfort Control Module. So this module here, just hold by 4 screws. There's 2 plugs in this model. Some of the 1500 just have this one plug. So that's what fails. It fell internally. Now, to know if this is what your problem is, the fuse at number 62 here, the 10 amp fuse, the air conditioning clutch, which is right here, third or fourth one up. So this fuse actually, when you're turning your AC on, it should have power, and the compressor is not turning. So you'll see here that your compressor is not turning. And the fuse is actually right here. It's this fuse there, number 10. That's number 62 right here. So anyway, that's a common problem with the Dodge Ram, that module in the back here. So, but that module cost about $1,000 Canadian anyway. Before you go and order the module, make sure that first of all when you turn the key, all the lights are working, so the module actually gets power. And then the other thing that you want to make sure too, it's that you're not low on Freon, because if you're low on Freon, then I won't activate the pressure switch, which will send power for the AC system to work. Okay, good luck.